Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn two things. First, how to drop one column if value in all the row are same, and in the second part we are going to learn how to remove one particular row if value in all the columns are same. So basically we'll drop particular column or row if value is same. All right. We are creating one data frame by reading one Excel file. This part I have covered in last video. Now let's run this code so that we can see this is the data frame where there is a duplicate column and all the data are same, that is extra. So I want to first remove this particular column. Now the first step is to find number of unique value across the column. And for that we are using an unique method, and over here I'm passing x is equal to 0 so that it will calculate number of unique values for each columns. All right, so let's run this code, and over here you can see for name column there are 4 unique values. For age column again 4 unique values, and duplicate is the only one column where we have one particular value. So next step is if I will do equal to 1, so this will return boolean value, and for duplicate it will be true, and for rest of our other columns it will be false. So with this we are able to identify that this column has only one unique value. Now we have to filter out only those columns which we wanted to drop. For that, let's create one variable column to drop, then equal to, going to look into this column index, and again going to put one filter on this column index where it is true. Let's print out this value. We should get only duplicate column. Execute this code. And over here you can see we got duplicate column where we have only one unique value. Finally, the last step of this process where we are going to drop this particular column, and for that we are using drop method, and over here I'm using index so that I will get the particular column name, and axis we are passing as 1 so that it will delete particular column, and finally we are printing this filter data frame. So let's execute this code, and over here you can see we got this duplicate column, and finally in the filter data frame this column has been deleted. Now let's modify this code so that we can identify those row where we have only one unique value. So I will comment out the deletion part, and then going to change this code. Now to find row, this operation where we wanted to find number of unique value row wise, so this will happen, will pass the axis as 1. Now let's print out this value just to ensure that we are able to identify number of unique value each row. Let's execute this code. And over here we can see we have this 4 row, and first row has 3 unique value, second row has again 3 unique value, the last one has only one unique value. So we are successfully able to identify this part. So similarly to the previous one, where we are going to see if it is 1, then we are going to return is true, otherwise it will be false. And then next step is to just filter out only those row where it is one particular unique value. Just need to rename these columns. Okay. Almost done. Re-execute this code. You can see false, false, false. Last one is true, and we are able to get third row, the output of the filter. And finally, it's about time to drop this particular row. For that, you have to remember how you are going to perform this drop operations. Row to drop. Let's re-execute this code, and you can see we are able to drop the last row. One more scenario I just wanted to discuss before we'll close this video. So over here, if you look into this particular data frame, these last two row are there where we have only one unique value. But let's say that I just wanted to delete a row where data is extra, not this one where it is some other value. For that, what we have to do is we can add one more column. Okay, now this column, what it will do is, let's run this code. Once we'll add one extra column. Now over here in this particular row there are two unique value now, right? But for this row it will be only one unique record. So this way we can delete one specific row or column uh, for any specific value. All right, thanks for watching.